All right, guys, you just watched me open up my ZHIYUN Smooth X gimbal, and now I'm going to put it to the test, and I'm going to take it out in the field down this trail and do a bunch of B-roll clips, just a bunch of clips together showing you what you can do with this gimbal. At the end of the video, putting a B-roll montage together at the end of the video. All right, and one thing I do have to add is you got to be careful with the arm on this Smooth X. It will break because this is my second one. The other one broke when I was just trying to bend it a little bit to tilt for my phone, and it broke. It just kind of snapped off. So be a little careful. They do fold up, but I'm not going to fold it up because it seems like it just wants to, seems a little fragile on that part. But I'll tell you what I think about this gimbal at the end of the video. But I'm just holding the gimbal with the selfie stick out because I think you get the best results if you do that. I'll show you some cool little B-roll shots, and I'm also going to, and I also got a little tripod thing on the bottom so I can set it up to record myself and stuff like that. And I'm going to do this. Add this into the mix and see if I can get out some drone-like shots. So let me show you what this is going to look like right now, guys. So you can capture me way out here if I wanted to. Yeah, I just wanted to give a few little shots of this to show you exactly what you can do with this. I think this is going to be a good addition to my videos. And I'm gonna do some good slow-mos without the long monopod. That's a monopod I showed you guys, in case y'all don't know. You can also get some good ground shots. It'll be your feet, panning around your feet, panning around a tree, all that good old stuff. And I'm going to show you some shots like that right here, guys. Yeah, you can do some pretty good tricks with this. It's a monopod. I'm gonna head back on up and show you some more shots. Now I just got just my little traditional tripod thing to set it up on. And there's only a few things that you can't use on the native camera app, and that's the zoom and the track mode. You can't use them two things, but everything else you can use. So, and I honestly think the picture quality is much better on the native camera app than it is the Cami app. I do like the selfie stick style. Hoping maybe DJI sees this. I'm sure they will, but hoping other companies follow with this because it's actually pretty durable. maybe I'll show that either in this video or next video or sometime down the road. It's actually pretty durable. So see what else I can do that would be kind of cool. Give you a good little ground shot of me walking back up. And this is me running regular. I'm gonna run regular. I ain't gonna like try to be all smooth with it. So this is me running. That was me at a nice little bouncing run. I'll show you what it looks like with it out now. It's like I'm trying to figure out to get away and do it this way. Look at that, like on this one. Yep, basically you're just kind of putting the story together and the pieces together as you're filming with this. And I really think it's kind of like it's like somebody's here recording it with you, because you can go way out here, and you know the selfie thing on these phones, and I'll record everything with my phone pretty much, besides a few little things, but other than that, record everything with my phone. So I really think this is going to add a different element to my videos, especially my hiking videos. As you can see, I'm pretty sure the footage is going to be really, really steady. All right, well, I am ending it now, guys. So just wanted to get a couple more shots there. So ZHIYUN Smooth X. I'll put some links in the description below. This video is not sponsored by them or anything, or I have no affiliation with the links, but you can see where you can get your own ZHIYUN Smooth X. And now let's watch this short little video montage right now.